Hello and welcome to another episode of Thoughtful Leaders. Today we have with us Mrs. Asha Jasti, who is the Executive Director at Sun International Institutes. Hello, ma'am. Welcome to the show.
Hello, Sakshi. I'm very glad that I'm a part of your show.
Yeah. Thank you. And I would like to introduce you, ma'am, to our audience first. So, being vigilant, meticulous, and enterprising, Miss Asha Dasti is the most passionate, humble, and foresighted woman behind the quality education revolution in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana states. She is the pioneer in integrating the corporate modern education with academic excellence. She holds masters in business administrations from Andhra University and a lifetime of experience in teaching, managing, and monitoring. She is a visionary entrepreneur, positive thinker, an able administrator, and a good decision maker. She gives vision and direction to the organization. Along with this, she is a task manager and a true professionalist who also heads the finance and human resources departments while supervising the corporate setup. She is presently working in the capacity of Executive Director of Sun International Institutes. Hello and welcome again to the show, ma'am.
Thank you, Sakshi.
Yeah. So I would like to start with my questions, ma'am. As you already have a lot of experience, right, in the education sector. So I would want to know what is it that keeps you connected to this education sector?
See, education is like, we should always be upgraded. So what is happening in the market, like what is in and what is the current thing, because we deal with lots of students and, we should always be upgraded along with them. So every day we are learning. So it is not like that. See, we started our college in 2004 in Visakhapatnam with 60 students. And now we have 4 branches in Visakhapatnam and Hyderabad, heading over 5,000 students a year. And every year around 5,000 students are passing out. So it is everyday challenge for us. Like education, it is there is no full stop for education. So we should learn and we should get upgraded and we should run along with the students. So, and ours is a hospitality industry, and we provide all professional courses, job oriented courses. So we should always be in the market research, what parents are thinking, what students want from us. Because see, in 2004, it is entirely different. The students' mindset, everything was different in 2004. But now students, it is all in technology. A lot of technology has developed. So according to that, we have to run with the students and we have to upgrade ourselves. So every day is learning. So from 2004 till date, every day we are learning here along with the students.
That's great to know, ma'am. Learning every day is really important, and that is something that keeps you connected. So that's really great. So, ma'am, how does the curriculum of Sun International Institutes ensure that it is the best in the industry?
Yeah, actually, our program, like from the day one when we started, our program is entirely different when compared to other educational sectors or anything, because we have designed our program in such a way like ours is an industry integrated program. So every student, whatever course he may take, maybe it is a management, hotel management, food and nutrition, BBA, travel and tourism. So we offer different kinds of courses. So whatever they take, we see that student from their second semester, they are into the industry. So if you take hotel management, it's a 6-semester program. So 6-semester program, once the students join, so after 4 months, we keep them in industries. Like we send them to hotels, restaurants, chain of hotels, so that every day evening students work there. So morning 9 to 4 is our college, and evening 6 to 10, we send them for part-time jobs here. So it is related to the course. So they learn a lot of practical knowledge, and apart from that, they earn. So our concept is learn while you earn. So our concept is that from the beginning. So our curriculum is designed in such a way, student by the time he walks out of a college after 3 years, he have lots of hands of exposure. Because BBA students also, BBA, MBA students, every SEM we send them for 45 days for internships to local industries and MNCs to work. So by the time they complete their course, they have 4 internship certificates in their hand and 2 years of work experience. So when compared to other degree students, they are definitely given more preference because they're already trained and they have practical knowledge in their hand. So all our courses are designed in such a way that by the time students goes out, he is not considered as a fresher. He's a trained person. So they get a lot of opportunities when compared to other students.
That's great to know, ma'am. Learn while you earn is the real, new black kind of thing. And also, ma'am, the students will be updated as well when they join the industry. They will
Whatever they learn in the college, see, it is only 50%. But when they go out, when they see the present scenario, the situation, how the customer responds, and what the customer wants, so it is definitely a learning experience for them, as well as college also. They will have, like, once they come back, they share whatever they learn there with all the students, staff. So we are also updated. So
yeah, it definitely gives the student also a very broader perspective as well to, while
being financially independent, in a degree student being financially independent is like, for parents also it's good. See, it is not about the financial thing, but they will know, like, when they earn, they will know how to spend it, how hard their money it is, so that they will not waste parents' money. So they'll have a responsibility, practical knowledge, and as well as parents are very happy with this curriculum.
Definitely, that's great to know, ma'am. So when you first joined, or started rather, Sun International Institutes, so what was your vision, and how has it evolved over time, and how far are you in implementing that vision?
Actually, 2004 we started our college. So it is before starting up the college, we worked for a hotel management college for 3 years, and we gained a lot of knowledge. See, directly coming into an industry, I also suggest everyone who want to become entrepreneurs, you have to know the work first before getting into it. So we worked there for the similar industry for 3 to 4 years. Then we started our own college with a vision of placing students nationally and internationally. See, there are a lot of students passing out every year, lakhs of students coming out. But once they come out, where are the job opportunities? So it's very less. So the courses which we chose are also job opportunity courses, which are all professional courses and job-oriented courses. So from day one, we are in a thing like student should be placed. By the time he completes his course, his degree, he should be placed. That is our vision. And apart from that, we wanted hospitality industry also, because tourism is booming like anything. Hospitality sector is booming like anything. And students, they have a lot of opportunities. And our students who pass out after the college, it is not only in the hotels, but there are a lot of other things like airlines, airports, cruise, MNCs, and 70% of our students are internationally placed. So, and next, our target is to start up our own university, hospitality university, so that we can have more number of opportunities of students. And we have also signed an MOU with our government, state government, for starting up a tourism university, and soon Sun will soon become a university, Sun University.
That's great to know, ma'am. I really hope that also works out, and Sun becomes a university pretty soon. So, ma'am, what do you think is the institute's top priorities for the next 5 years?
Top priorities is, I always tell, top priorities is grooming students, disciplined students, sending disciplined students outside. When a student walks out of Sun, he should have number of opportunities, placements, and he should be ready to join. So whoever goes from Sun, they should be readily taken. Oh, you're a Sun product. We know you're disciplined. You are good. Your academics are good. Your placements are good. Your training is good. So readily they should take. And our students, 70%, they are internationally placed. So next 5 years also, we would like to place them in high positions and good opportunities. And BSc Food and Nutrition is there. BBA is there. So BSc Food and Nutrition only 2 years back we have introduced. So that is also a very good course for students who have done their intermediate with BPC, who wants to become a doctor, ambition to become doctor, but because of the shortage of seats, they don't have any other option. So for them, this BSc Food and Nutrition is a very good course. We want to develop this course so that students will have awareness. So whoever have not got seats in MBBS, they can join this course. And BBA also, this is an industry integrated. Whoever wants to go for MBA, it is a foundation course. So next 5 years, we would see our college as a university and all our students placed all over the world.
That's great, ma'am. I really hope you wish, all of this comes true pretty soon. So, ma'am, what do you see as your institute's greatest strength?
Our institute greatest strength is always our team, our staff. From day one, they are the best supporters to the college, because we have our team working from the 2004 along with me. They are also there. There are many persons, and whoever have come joined, we call Sun as Sun family. We never call it as a college or an institution. We call this as a family. And first supporters are our team, and next definitely my students and parents, because without them our college would not have sustained for 16 years and still the number one in Visakhapatnam, Hyderabad and Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So it is a number one college with a lot of admissions. Apart from admissions, see, students and parents are our strength, because it is all into mouth publicity. When they are positive, definitely college grows. So it is, our marketing is only our students and parents, because they have very positive approach towards the college. And till now, 2004 students and parents are also in contact with me. They come here, they visit me. They're all married. They're in good positions. When I see them, I feel so happy. All in general manager levels and all. And they come here with their kids, with their family. It's a really very good moment for us to see them like.
That's amazing to know, ma'am. And I even believe this, that the staff and the people and like the families, the students, they are the pillars that constitute the college. So definitely
we always see that students don't miss, because ours is a hostel campus. So we always see that students don't miss their parents. We celebrate all festivals. Maybe it's Christmas, maybe it's Eid, maybe Diwali. We all celebrate together. It's like a family event. If a festival comes, students wait for a festival. It's like a family event. And our team, student staff, and we celebrate students' birthday here so that they don't miss their parents. So we do cake cutting. We have a party every day. We have a birthday here because a lot of students. So every day we celebrate 10 to 15 birthdays with the students. It's a good feel. Like I feel that students should not miss their parents, because most of the time our team or our students spend most of the time in the college, including me, because from 9 to 6 we are here. So environment should be friendly and it should be a healthy environment. So because of that, we take care of that. We see that team is also comfortable in the college, so that they can work happily and they can make our students study happily. So that is the main concept.
Definitely, ma'am, getting the feel of, homely feel is the best one, I guess. So that is a really great thing that Sun is doing. So, ma'am, is there any message that you would like to give to the current youth and the aspiring students of Sun International?
Yeah, definitely. I always say them, don't do hard work, do smart work. See, hard work, nowadays hard work, it doesn't benefit. It is only smart work which we do. And students also should be disciplined and well-groomed. That only benefits when they go out. See, I ask students to enjoy. There is a time to enjoy. There is a time to study. Everything should be there. Entertainment should be there. Enjoyment should be there. Education should be there. So all three. But you should not miss up. Nowadays, what is happening? Students are mixing everything. Education, enjoyment. See, there is time for everything. So plan accordingly and do whatever you want. We are here to support you always. As a parents, as college, we are always here to support you. But you plan accordingly and go outside, so that discipline and grooming is 100% must, because ours is professional college, hospitality industry. So if discipline and grooming is there, definitely they can succeed, and try to do smart work rather than hard work.
Definitely, ma'am. That's a great message to all our audience and the aspiring youth and students of Sun International. So thank you so much, ma'am. I'm done with all my questions. Yeah. Thank you so much from the whole team of College Dunia as well for taking out your time and sharing such valuable insights about Sun International. I'm pretty sure our audience has also gained a lot of information about it as well. So thank you so much.
We thank our Sun family also for promoting education. I think College Dunia is the number one portal in education. So I'm really happy that we are also a part of it. I wish your team all the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.